Okay, so I changed the tire to the spare, and the spare was flat. So I'm out of tire options. Now what I did was call AAA, and I guess they're gonna tow me to the nearest garage. It's super hot down here in the valley. Sitting in the car on the side of the highway. Alright, here at the shop, hopefully they can just blow up the spare and I can drive the spare. Alright, they were able to fill up the spare, so that'll be good for now. Now I'm driving back to camp slowly, trying to keep it under 40. While running errands, I was driving along Highway 89. That's between a town called Fredonia, Arizona, and where we were camped, which was near Jacobs Lake, near the north rim of the Grand Canyon. I incurred a blowout, and it was pretty scary. I don't know if you've ever had a blowout, but there's a violent jerk. I couldn't control for a brief moment, and then I pulled over, and this stretch of highway, of course, is only soft shoulders, so I was half in the road, half in a ditch. So pretty scary.
How'd it go?
Hi. Aside from obviously replacing the blown out tire, we at least need to replace the passenger side front tire along with it, because that'll blow out next. We can only do what we can do, but I think 2 tires at least.
I don't want to buy new tires right now. I don't even know if we need the car.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's just like so much money to spend.
Yeah.
And like
an extra gas tank, 4 more tires.
yeah, I don't.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan.
So if we are going to sell it or even get it to storage, we would still need to put at least 2 tires on it.
Well, I'm not going to put 2 tires on something I'm going to sell or put in storage. That's not happening.
Right.
I bought 4 tires for that car 3 years ago. It was like $700+.
Yeah, and that was 3 years ago. The nearest tire shop to where we are is 100 miles over in St. George at Discount Tire.
We can look online and see how much it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Probably tracks and traction because of all the forest roads and stuff.
Yeah.
So this is what we got last time.
Okay.
$179, but that's $716 for 4. Installation of $84 is on top of that. $133.88. No, we don't need that. Rotation, air checks, flat tire. So total will be $870. Okay. I'd really not like to spend more than like $500-600.
Yeah. So I'll go in and see what they can do for us. Maybe there's a deal or something. you doing? Oh, hi, Aaron.
Dale.
Dale, nice to meet you. And who are these ones?
This is Buddy and that's
Buddy.
Daisy.
Can I
Yeah.
pet? Hi, sweetie. Oh, yummy grass. Hi. Hi there. Oh, you are so sweet. Boy, they are beautiful. Where are you headed? Utah? Nice. Nice.
The day he was born, it was May 4th, and I didn't think he was going to make it. It was rain.
Oh, really?
Oh, no kidding.
Little runt of a colt, and now boom.
Look at him, taller than me.
He's probably lost 100 plus pounds.
Oh, wow.
And I've lost 20.
Yeah.
I'm
I used to.
sure.
Yeah.
I weighed 193 pounds. when
No
I started.
kidding.
I bet.
I just left camp to drive to Discount Tire in St. George, Utah, or technically Washington, Utah, and that's about 100 miles away from camp. So I'm driving slowly with my hazards on, just white knuckling it, hoping I make it the 100 miles to Discount. There we'll get tires on, so wish me luck. In the meantime, look at this beautiful view here. My gosh, just the mesas out here in Arizona and Utah, just amazing. Camera doesn't do it justice, but awe-inspiring. There's the new tires on them. Look all right. Look pretty good. Look pretty good. Nice and new. All right, so made it to Discount Solar, just barely. Got 4 new tires on it. All done here. Now I'm in Washington, Utah, which is basically the St. George area. I'm gonna head on up to meet Sarah in Cedar City, and we're probably gonna be camping at the Parowan Gap or around there. We like that area a lot. So off I go to meet her. She's about an hour up the road.